So this is another update video on how the project's going. There's been a few new features added to the project since the last big update video I did. So this is just another video to show off what's been placed into the application. Now, as you know, the Kinect needs to know where the floor is to work out whether or not someone's fallen, because the way that the Kinect works out if someone has fallen over or not is by measuring the distance of their head and shoulders to the ground, to the floor relative to them. And if, for an example, something's happened where the Kinect can't see the floor and it needs to be either run again just in case something weird's happened, or the Kinect can't actually see the floor. So for example, in this example I'm going to put the elevation angle to 25 so that the Kinect sensor's facing up towards the ceiling. It should be. Yep, there we go. So now if I walk in front of the camera and it starts to track but it can't see the floor, an audio message is given to the user.
Please position the Kinect device so that the floor is visible.
And so this message runs every 10-12 seconds. It'll continue to play until the Kinect sensor has been placed in either a better
Please
position
position the
or
Kinect device
until
so
it
that
can
the
detect
floor
the
is
floor.
visible.
So now let's put the elevation angle back down to 1 and run. Here we have it. So now it's found the floor, and if the joints are green, it means everything's fine. It can detect me perfectly. It can see all my joints. Now, depending on how close you are to the floor, the joints will change colour. So for example, if I'm close to the floor, but fine nonetheless, the joints will be yellow, as you can see. So it completely depends on how close you are from the floor. Now if someone falls over, chances are their head and shoulders will be directly next on the floor even. So if I fall over like this, the dot should go orange, meaning that it's in the full area, and eventually it will turn to red, as you can now hear. So now the alarm's going off. Now this alarm will keep playing until the person signals to the Kinect that they're okay. So they can do this by putting both their hands above their head for a few seconds, and it goes back to green and just continues to track them.